Tonight, the search is on for two men who Columbus police say attacked a man and robbed him at gunpoint. It happened around noon near Ohio State's campus on Norwich Avenue. NBC4's Eric Halpern spoke with the victim about how it happened.
The 25-year-old tells me he was walking through this alley this afternoon just blocks away from campus to get a drink. In addition to being robbed, he says he was pistol whipped 10 times. Students who live along Norwich Avenue just north of campus are now being a little more cautious as they walk around.
It's always crazy when you hear about stuff happening like right next to you.
The alley where the robbery was reported happening is right behind Harrison Wright's house.
You don't really expect it, this alleyway isn't any more or less safe than it was, yesterday. But now that this has happened, it makes you think like, oh, this could happen at any time.
According to Columbus police, it was 12:30 Saturday afternoon when a 25-year-old man was walking through this alley behind Norwich Avenue when a minivan drove up behind him. They say one suspect then got out, held the man at gunpoint, forced him to get in the car, pistol whipped, and robbed him.
It's pretty scary.
The victim is not an OSU student, but the university still sent out a safety notice.
So when I read that, I was pretty surprised because, I don't know, I feel like that doesn't really happen around here that often.
According to the police report, the crime did not end in the alley. The victim was then driven about 5 miles away and let out in East Columbus in an alley near Champion Avenue and East Long Street. Then he went to a nearby fire station for help.
It really brings to mind the fact that we don't just live in this bubble. We live in the city of Columbus. And so these are issues that a lot of citizens in Columbus deal with that we kind of try to protect ourselves from.
So far, police have not made any arrests. If you have any information, get in touch with Columbus Police. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Eric Halpern, NBC4.